Good afternoon, my name is Lady Diaz. I'm going to develop activity 2. What do you think of the bestiaries? I think they were real in the sense that people believe in their existence. Some animals were real like the elephants, but most of the mythological creatures were as real as they are today. Why were bestiaries important in the Middle Age? I would say that this firming iconographic relationship of the Catholic faith. 3. Which animals did you find the most interesting? The unicorn represented as a horse with a horn on its forehead, to which healing powers were attributed. In fact, unicorns horse will sold as a luxury product. Question 4. If you could create fantastic animals, what would it be like? I would create a dog with wings that had the power to speak. Thank you so much.